Okay, so I just got my 12-piece standard large double box and wrench set from Sears. I'm going to do a grand unboxing for you guys. Comes in a huge box, but it doesn't sound like there's much in the box. Lots of bubble wrap. And inside this gigantic box is a small box. Let's see what we got here. Covered in oil. Okay, so far so good. Alright, so that's the 12-piece wrench set that I've been waiting for. Man, that is a big wrench. I can't get far enough back to view it. But this one's a Craftsman. 1 5/16 is the biggest one they make on the set here. They go all the way from very small to very large. Just to give you guys an idea of the range of the set here. See if I can get this one out. There's the smallest one. And there's the largest one. So it's quite a range. But I'll do another review on this later on when I start using them. But so far, hey, I like it. I like it. What you got? You got a 1-inch. There's a 1-inch and 5/16. I'll have this complement my metric set that I have in the garage, similar double box end. And this pretty much rounds out my Craftsman tool collection. I've bought just about every wrench there is while they're still made in USA. Sometimes 2 of each. And I'll do another review on my tool collection in the future. Thanks for watching.